Water is one of the most vital components to a healthy and happy garden, but how much to water is going to depend greatly upon where you live. Here are some guidelines to get you started. You want to give your garden at least 1 inch of water per week, either from a rain event or you supplementally watering. In arid climates, you're going to want to double that, so you'll be giving your garden 2 inches of water per week. In hot weather, you're going to increase your watering by a half an inch of water for every 10 degrees the average temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So how do you get that average temperature? It's quite simple. You just take your daytime high plus your nighttime low and divide that by 2. A simple way to measure how much water your garden is getting is using a rain gauge. Stick the rain gauge in your garden. Check it weekly to make sure that there's at least 1 inch of water in the gauge. This can either come from supplementally watering or a rain event. Hopefully, with these simple tips, you'll be watering your garden to perfection.